So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Geek Jam. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use filters in the Photos app in iOS 18. With iOS 18, you get filters in the Photos app. This allows you to change the style of the images with already available presets. To use filters in the Photos app, follow these steps. So before we continue, open the Settings app. Now tap on General. After this, select Software Update. Now make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS 18. To use filters in the Photos app, follow these steps. First of all, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now open the photo in which you want to use the filter. After this, tap on this option right here. Now tap on Filters. You will see different filters here like Original, Vivid, Vivid Warm, Vivid Cool, Dramatic, Dramatic Warm, Dramatic Cool, and lots of other. Select a filter that you want to use. Now drag the slider to change the intensity. After this, tap on Done. So this will set the filter on the image. So this is how you can use filters in the Photos app on iOS 18. I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.